Over the last couple of years, I've helped thousands of people with their social media marketing and had conversations with hundreds of business owners about why their social media isn't working. And in this video, I'm going to share the number one reason that's almost universal for new and stuck businesses on why it's not working. All right, let's get into it. Hello, busy people, and welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If your business is feeling stuck on social media or your business is new and you're figuring it out, you're in a great place. We help businesses get high-quality results from their social media without taking up all of your valuable time. You want some of that? Go ahead, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter, and in this video, I'm going to share the number one reason most businesses are not getting results on their social media. Also, watch to the end because I'm going to show you how to fix that for your business, as well as give you a way to save even more time than ever moving forward.
First, if you've ever said or thought or felt this, I want you to say goodbye to this sentence. Social media is only good for top-of-mind awareness. This is what I used to tell myself when my social media wasn't working. Like, my posts would be reaching people, sometimes lots of people, but it wasn't driving any revenue. And rather than figure out how to fix the problem, we tell ourselves things like, well, it's good for top-of-mind awareness, or I'm using social media to increase my exposure in the marketplace, or for branding. And I would tell myself that social media couldn't be used to get people to actually buy or hire me, especially without a big team or a big budget. And I don't know about you, but I don't have either of those things, a big team or a big budget laying around. So here is the typical social media marketing plan. Somebody starts a business and they go, okay, I got to get on all the social networks. So I got to set up my Facebook, my Twitter, my TikTok, my Instagram stories, my IGTV. You know, you've got these sub networks within networks, my Instagram Reels. Then I'm going to start posting. And then I just wait for money. Like, man, I've been posting every day. Nobody's buying yet. There's something missing from this plan. And it's the fact that nobody set any social media goals. And you might have goals, but if you're not making regular trackable revenue, you may have set the wrong goals. That's what I used to do. You need to set specific social media goals, okay? So social media goals are different from your business goals. They may be different from your marketing goals. They are specific to social media. So first, let me talk about what social media goals aren't. Posting every day, not a social media goal, okay? That's a to-do list, or posting 3 times a week, whatever you were talking about. Getting more followers, also not a good social media goal, because followers don't mean you'll get any sales. This woman had 2 million followers and couldn't make any money from it. So you need to set a social media goal that leads to revenue, and when you figure this out, the results can be amazing. Michelle Taylor, who took my 5-Minute Social Method course recently, nailed down one of her social media goals and had one post lead to $1,495 a month in new revenue. Now, she's pretty humble, but I always joke with her that if those new clients stay for a full year, and hers pretty much all do, that one post will be worth almost $18,000. So, social media goals, how do you figure them out? First, start by figuring out what happens right before someone buys from you, okay? For some businesses, think about what would cause people to buy from you without social media, then use social media to reach that goal. So in my business, people often hire me after we have a conversation about their business. So if there was no social media, that would involve going to networking events and meeting people. Then the social media equivalent of that is to get people into one-on-one conversations. So that's one of my social media goals. Another one of my goals is to get people to join my email list because I know that certain percentage of those people will go on to invest in a course or coaching. Now, if this is tough to figure out right this second, you're not alone. I work on this a lot with people inside my 5-Minute Social Method course to get it dialed in. But here's another way to look at it. What happens right before someone hires you or buys from you? Something triggered them. As I said, for me, getting into a conversation about their business is one of those things. So what is that for you? Because once you figure this out, everything you do on social media becomes so much more clear because you post to work toward your goal or goals. So you see how this small mindset shift can change everything? Because there's no more posting and hoping.
Got your goals in mind? It might take you a day or two of thinking about it, maybe talking to some of your ideal customers before you nail down exactly what it is. But this small mindset shift should make all the difference in the world going forward. I've seen businesses turn around their social media marketing in 7 to 10 days after taking this new approach. All right, how are you going to save more time on your social media marketing? I'm obsessed with that, and that's why I'm sharing 6 ways to cut your social media marketing workload in half. Grab that now with the link on the screen, or if you don't see it there on your device, go ahead and get the link in the description of this video. You're not only supporting me at 5 Minute Social Media, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.